Hello everyone, this is Ben Mayo, your Vice President of Global Sales Systems, back with a quick video on how to use our newest feature, the ability to create custom videos and include in that custom video that you've created hyperlinks to a website, email, or various locations that you can customize and choose of your own liking. So let me go ahead and start by showing you the brand new feature. It's right here at the My Tool section, right in the middle. It says add, where the plus sign, add tool, record or upload a short video. If you haven't recorded one, that's where the videos will end up once you've recorded it. For this, let's go and start by starting on the top right with the plus sign. If you click that, you now can record your video, and we'll be able to send that out once we've recorded it, and we'll also be able to edit it before we send it. So to record this, I'm going to go ahead and click record, and I'm going to flip it around. And hello everyone. So let me show you how this goes real quick. I'm going to press record on my phone and start now. So hello everyone, just wanted to share with you a quick link on where you can go and buy my product. If you click right here, you'll be able to go ahead and order. Or if you click down here, you'll be able to contact me. Look forward to hearing from you and seeing how I can help you with your next purchase of Mannatech products. Click stop. I'm gonna save it. And now here I have the video that I've just created. I can scroll through it and review it. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and scroll to where you can see I'm saying click up here to order. I'm going to press the website button on the bottom left, the www. See, it pulled that icon in. I can move it up to where my finger was. And right here where it says add URL, I can add in my custom URL. You can put in whatever you'd like. If you have an easier portal for people to place an order, you can put that in, such as a Mannatech page, or you can choose which page you want to type in here. You'll see in the duration, it's going to last for 5 seconds on the screen. It's going to start at the 8-second mark, and it's going to end on the 13. And I just click done. So now I've got that icon added. Now I'm going to now I'm going to scroll forward to where I had added, I'm going to scroll forward to where I added the email me. So now I'm going to press the email button, drag it over here to where I had that and discuss that. I'm going to add the email address where somebody can contact me. It's going to start at, it's going to last 5 seconds, start at second 12 and go through second 17. Click done. Click next at the top right. Now that I have my video completed, I need to give it a title. This will be included in the message that you send, so you can make this specific or generic, however you like. Also, the description is included when you send it, so let's put a description in. I'm going to save it. You'll see now it pulled up right there in the My Tools section. If My Tools doesn't show up first on your screen, what you want to do is click to the left of the plus sign on the top right. So if you look on the top right, just to the left of it, there's like a little stacked 3 bars. If I click on that, this allows you to change the order of where things are displayed in your screen. So I have My Tools on the very top. Click there, and it's saved. So now, if I want to share this or when I'm ready to share it, it's just like every other asset in the tool. I just clicked on the video. I want to send this as an email to myself. There it is. It's got the link in there. Click send. And because I sent it through the system, I will now get notification when the email has been read, how much of the video they've watched, and I can then go ahead and follow up on that just based upon the feed. So if I click on the very bottom middle, you can see in the feed that I just shared this today. As soon as it's been watched, I'll get a notification that it's been watched, as long as that setting has been set up in my system. So that to allow for notifications, there's another video on this, but I'll just do this real quick. If you click on the bottom right under settings, you'll want to go to notifications right there in the middle. And so I have the system set up to where it can send me an email notification or a text notification, SMS notification. So if you don't have your settings set up to receive that, that's where you'd want to go. So I've just jumped back over to tools. This is the home screen. Hopefully this has been a little helpful in trying to set up your first custom video and to send that out to a potential prospect. Hope you have a great day.